Alright, so today I want to do another quick shotgun review of this Akaso Trace 1 dash cam. The reason why I want to do a quick shotgun review of it, you can hear it in the background, is because I'm actually going to replace it with this mirror dash cam. You see it has a camera on the back right here. So I'm going to replace it with this. So the quick shotgun review of the Akaso dash cam. I should probably get it off now. This is the inside dash cam. This records the inside of the cabin, which is pretty nice because it does like this kind of infrared thing where you can see inside the cabin even in the dark, like complete darkness. Here's the front of it. This is the front dash cam. Now the reason why I'm replacing this thing is because about a month or so ago I was actually hit by another car in a parking lot, and this dash cam is supposed to turn on whenever it detects an impact. Unfortunately, it did not detect said impact, even though I think it was quite a tough impact on my car. You know, tough enough to actually leave a dent in my car. Let's see if I can find the impact settings. There's the parking monitor. It's been on. Oh, there's the G sensor. Oh, it was on low. I guess there's to that, but it didn't detect the impact of my car, left quite a nice dent in my car, and it didn't turn on. So unfortunately I was not able to catch the driver that hit my car, so that person got away. And you know, even if it did detect them, I don't know if it would have caught them because my car was parked inward, which meant that, and the person hit me from behind, so that would mean that this inside camera would have had to catch them, which would have been hard because it'd have to catch them through the interior of my car, which it did not. It didn't even turn on. It like turns on whenever I open and close my door, but it didn't turn on when I got hit. So there's that. I'm replacing this thing. It's a nice dash cam. Obviously you can, as you saw a second ago, you can adjust the impact sensitivity, which I did not, so I guess that's an user error. But otherwise I really liked it, especially the interior dash cam part, so you can catch like the inside, which was really nice. But I don't know, maybe it's something that's unnecessary to have. Another feature I had was this GPS monitor thing, which I never could figure out how to get it to work. It's supposed to be able to monitor how fast you're going via GPS, so like if you get pulled over for speeding and you actually weren't speeding, you can like easily prove it with this thing. Never could figure out how to get it to work. The closest thing I could figure out for it was that I had to do it through the app, but I mean, I don't want to have the app on every time I'm driving, so I'm gonna have to take this thing off now. Yeah, so it's this little GPS monitor that's supposed to monitor how fast I'm going. Never could figure out how to get it to work, so it never worked. But anyways, for the quick review of the Akaso Trace 1 dash cam, it's a very nice dash cam. I loved it as I used it. I don't know if the GPS part is really worth it, especially because I think you have to have the app on while you're driving in order for it to be used properly. So there's that. It captured things very well. I especially like the interior night vision mode, so you can see what's going on the inside. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this thing. Maybe I'll do a giveaway or something, or sell it online. I'm not quite sure, but it was nice to have. But I am upgrading to this new dash cam. Unfortunately, this new one doesn't record on the inside, but that's going to be a different video. What I recommend is dash cam. I think now that I know that it was a user error, that it didn't detect the impact of my car, that, you know, maybe I think I would recommend it for people. I think it's a good price for what it is, especially when it records both the outside and the inside of your car. So, you know, you'd be able to prove if during the impact or whatever accident you get into that you actually kind of whiplashed or whatever, you actually got hurt. This will be a nice extra piece of evidence for you, and I think for the price it's pretty good. I think it's a very high quality dash cam, and it is made out of plastic, but it's like a nice plastic. It's not like a cheap rubbery like soft plastic. It's very hard. Let's see if I can get my nail to hit it. Very nice. So I did really like this, but I think I will enjoy my upgrade. So anyways, that's to that. I'll have a link to it down below if you're interested in getting one of these Akaso Trace 1 dash cams. And I guess I'll see you in the next video while I'm hooking up this new dash cam I have going.